Alrighty guys and gals, another search of 6 rolls of half dollars for you, starting with what might be an NIFC ender. And like last time, going to be ending on a bicentennial ender. There's a 2 for sure I'll do live. So let's just crack into this one and see if indeed that ender is an NIFC. It's in really good shape, so it might be. Here's hoping, huh? Now, I did weigh these beforehand, the rolls, and you get 20 coins in one roll. Approximate weight, it's an 84. It's just a really good 84 apparently. Approximate weight didn't really seem like there'd be much of anything. It does look like there's a couple of weird ones in here. That one's got some toning to it. It's just a 91. And then this one here, it's got some more gold toning to it. It's just a 96. So nothing all that special. I might wind up keeping that one just because it's in really good shape. It's a 94. Really, 2009. It's an NIFC, but it's in really bad shape. That's been in circulation an awful long time. 74, again, like last time, 74 double die, 74D, so set any of the 74s aside. Hopefully we'll come across one. There's another 74. It's an 84, 91, 71. There's another bicentennial. 71. 77. And of course, a little bit of extra information that I didn't put in the last one. 1971 is the first year they started making them clad. In the late 60s, 66 I believe, to 1970, they were silver clad. So even those will be somewhat silver. 79. Alright, so nothing all that special in that roll. Alright, so first glance, you can't really see anything different there. But one of these coins is not like the others. Can you guess which one? This one right here. It's 1968. This is one of these silver clad years. So this is actually going to be worth keeping because there's at least a little bit of silver in there. Looks like anything from 65 up to 70, including the 70D and the 70S, are all going to be silver clad. So, something worth keeping. My first bit of silver. Alright, so here's the deal, guys. The silver clad are a little different than the copper nickel clad, obviously. The copper nickel clad is 11.34 grams approximately, according to the Red Book, and the silver clad are a little bit heavier at 11.5 grams. So for reference, here's the silver clad that I pulled. It's 11.4. So I mean, the scale is not entirely all that accurate, but it obviously weighs more than something else. So I'm going to go ahead and I saved all the 71s because that was the first year they stopped doing silver clad, just in the off chance I might come across an unknown error of a silver clad planchette. But as you can see, weighs far less than the silver clad. Alrighty guys and gals, I'm taking over filming for this one so you can see the scale in operation here. You see it's zeroed out. Here is the 1968. That's weighing in. The scale's not all that accurate. It's 11.3, but we all know that that's going to be a silver clad. But here, I might have found a couple of potential error coins for the 1971s, since this was the first year that they did the clad, the non-silver clad. You can see, clearly, even with this inaccurate scale, that is showing 11.4, when the book says they're supposed to be 11.34. Maybe I just need a more accurate scale, but it's possible I might have discovered a heretofore unknown error of a 71 being struck on a silver clad planchet. The thing is, it's not just one of them. There are two of these babies in this set. So, I might need to go over to somebody that's got a more accurate scale and see if indeed they are weighing more than the book says they should. If that's the case, they might potentially be silver clad error varieties. In which case, I'm looking at a nice find, since they're going to credit the error to me if it is a new unknown error. Anyway, just figured I'd show you all that. Alright, one last little thing to do before the wrap up. Going through the 74s to see if I have any potential 74D double die obverses. A whole stack of 74s to go through, so there's quite a few. 74 plain, another 74 plain, 74 plain, 74 plain, 74 plain, 74 plain. There's a 74D. It's another 74 plain, another 74 plain. This is another 74D. That's another 74D. Seems like, just like last time, I only have 3 74Ds to search through. No obvious doubling on that one. No obvious doubling on that one. And no obvious doubling on that one. I'll have to look at them a little closer under a zoom or a scope and see. Maybe there's something my eye can't see, but doesn't look like there's anything there. Alright, wrap up time. So here's all of the bicentennials. Again, there's a whole bunch. I didn't bother sorting them by B and D like last time. It's just, like I said, they're way too common. And I'm not going to wind up keeping any of those, just because none of them look as good as the one I got last time. So, I actually did wind up keeping the bicentennial ender from last time. There's all the stuff that's going back to the bank. And then over here, in front of me, you've got the silver clad, right there. And the potential silver clad error. The NIFC 2009. It's surprisingly not that good, considering the one next to it I thought was going to be an NIFC, but it's just a 2001. But it's in even better condition than that. And then a really, really nice looking 1971 over here as well. Oh, yeah, the back sides of them. So you can see what they look like here. It's the NIFC, the 2001. You can see for yourselves that one's obviously in better shape. And then the 71, that's in better shape than the NIFC as well.